Now that we have the header, the countdown, the video, the feature images, we are ready to add a call to action, a buy button at the end. Okay, so right here we're going to add the HTML, which is a section with a buy now class, which will allow us to add a background color, and it also has a divider with a container and container padding. Container and container padding is not in the section because we want to add a background color. Okay, look, I'm going to add the styling, which is going to be very simple. It's just going to be a background color of red and a color of white. If we add this here, okay, like this, we will have a margin so the background won't be applied to the whole section, okay? Because the container has a maximum width of 90%. That's why you want to add it in a nested divider, okay? We're not doing that in some other sections, such as the video trailer, because that one doesn't have a background, so we don't need it, okay? But here we do. Now we have a heading 3, which we already styled at the top of our CSS right here. We have a paragraph and we have a anchor link with a button and button secondary class right here. Okay, we have this utility class with the padding, text decoration, etc. And the color is being applied with this button secondary class. Now you can play with this. You can maybe add right here a background image as we did in the hero section, or you can do anything you want. Try to experiment and learn by doing.